Hi, my name is Zoe and I'm a certified aromatherapist here at GuruNanda, and today I want to tell you a little bit about essential oil safety in children. There's a lot of oils that are great for kids, really helpful, especially if they're hyper or they can't sleep, they need help focusing, they're not feeling great. Oils can help with a lot of those things. But you want to be careful since their bodies are small and they're still forming and they're still developing a lot. Some oils that you really want to be careful with are oils like wintergreen, birch, and eucalyptus. For children under the age of 10, you want to be really careful and not really use too much of that around them. There are other oils that are totally safe to use with kids, especially lavender and Roman chamomile. These can even be used under the age of 2. I wouldn't start using oils until your baby is about 3 to 6 months old, depending on how they're developing and what their pediatrician thinks. After the age of 2, between 2 and 10, most oils are safe, but you definitely still want to be careful. Check in with your pediatrician, especially if your child has asthma or any other respiratory issues. The best way to use essential oils with children is to dilute them and use them in a diffuser. You want to make sure you have an open window or an open door, so if the smell gets too strong, they feel like they can leave the area. Another way to use them is diluting them immensely and using them topically. I'm talking about 1 drop per 1 ounce of oil and just applying them on the bottom of the feet. The case that you would want to try this is maybe if they're having trouble sleeping or nightmares or they have too much energy, you could put about 1 drop of lavender oil and about 1 ounce of coconut oil. Just rub it on the bottom of their feet. If they seem to be reacting differently or they get more hyper from the lavender or they're coughing or they're getting stuffy, discontinue use and definitely contact your pediatrician and see what they think is best.